especially for ragi mudde. This mutton keema curry is giving a very good taste, fantastic taste, I can say. I can feel that have come down to Baduta. Baduta means Kannadigas will be knowing. After marriage, we keep, but in English, if I need to explain, it is something called as what? Hey folks, welcome back to CSK Vlogs and hope you guys are doing good. It's almost like 3 o'clock. After a long time, I have dropped down for a food vlog in Bangalore after my Chennai trip. So today I have dropped down to HSR Lever, a restaurant name called Village Donne Biryani, and this is in Sector 2, Parangipalya. So in this restaurant, a proper Nati style biryani will be served as well as tandoor items will also be served. So let's go inside and check out what is so special of this Village Donne Biryani. I can see 5 different types of chicken biryanis and 1 mutton biryani and 1 biryani rice and 1 egg biryani. Here I can find like almost 13 kinds of starters including fish as per to season. Here is 9 different types of combos. I can see like a huge combo meal itself. Meals I can see like chicken meal, mutton meal as well as tandoor combo 1 and tandoor combo 2 and tandoor starters. Oh, they have a tandoor starters also. Sunday special leg soup and idli is gonna be getting started at 7. So here is restaurant proprietors. Here is Gowda and Swami. Hi. ಸೊ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್, ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಈ ಬ್ರಾಂಚ್ ಇದೆ? ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ದು ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲಾದ್ ಬಂದು ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಹಳೇದೆ. ಹೌದು. ಇದು ಬಂದು ಎಷ್ಟು ವರ್ಷದಿಂದ ಇದೆ ಸರ್?
ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ 2017 ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಇದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಕೋವಿಡ್ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಜೂನ್ ಮಂತಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. ಸೊ ಜೂನ್ 15 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್ ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟಾಗಿ ಕೋವಿಡಿಂದ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆ ಥರ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಹಳೆ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೂ ಪಾಸಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಏನಂದರೆ ಇದು ಒಂದು ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕ್ಯಾಟ್ರಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಅದು ಏನಂದರೆ ಲೈಕ್ ನಾವು ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಕಂಪ್ನೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಅಸಂಚೇರು ಮತ್ತು ಜನ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಸು ಈ ಥರ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ಗೆ ನಾವು ಈವೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾಯಿದ್ವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರಮೋಷನ್ ಆಗಿ ಇವಾಗ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಲಾಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ HSR ಅಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಸು. ಈ HSR ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪರಂಗಿಪಾಳ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬ್ರಾಂಚಸ್ಸು. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರು HSR ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ನಂದು ಕೋರ್ಮಂಗ್ಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದಿದೆ ನಮ್ಮದು. ಸೊ ಅದು ಹಳೇದು. ಸೊ ಅದು 2017 ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇರ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪ್ರೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀನಿ. ನಮ್ಮದೇ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋ ಇಂಗ್ರೀಡಿಯೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಟಾಪ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೈಸ್, ಜೀರಾ ರೈಸು ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಚಿಕನ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ. ದ ಲೈವ್ ಚಿಕನ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ, ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಚಿಕನ್ಸು, ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಚಿಕನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಫ್ರೋಝನ್ ಮಟನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದೋ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಲೈಕ್ ಜಿಂಜರು, ಗಾರ್ಲಿಕ್ಕು. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಜಿಂಜರ್ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಅವರ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲೇ ಬೆಳಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಆ ಥರದ್ದು ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ನಾವು ಅಲ್ಲಿಂದನೇ ಜಿಂಜರ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ತೊಗೊತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಮಸಾಲೆನ ಪರ್ಚೇಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆ ಥರ ಇದರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಯಾವುದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ಗೂ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸಂಡೇಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಸೂಪು ಮತ್ತು ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತುಂಬ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರನ್ನೂ ಏನು ಕೇಳೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಸಂಡೇಸು ಅರ್ಲಿ ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ 7:30 ಕಾಲ್ ಸೂಪು ಮತ್ತು ತಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡ್ಲಿ ಬಂದು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು.
Here is the special magic masala which they are going to be using for the biryani. This masala is the one which 21 ingredients will be used in this masala, and when you smell, the cinnamon and cardamom flavor is really very dominating, and with the help of this the biryani is made. I've got 2 types of combo meals. One is mutton and one more is chicken. With chicken I have got chapati, and with mutton I have got ragi bowl. So first let me start up with this chicken ran. So I have to make some plates before starting up this. So here is chicken ran which is being sorted with some types of sauce as well as some kinds of masala which is being put on this ran. First they have done oil fry, then they have sorted with some masalas and sauce. So let me try this. It's completely soft. Oh. They have not done oil fry, they have done tandoor, so the tandoor taste is there. Even the onions are also been salted with some masala. So with this run, the onion has to go inside the mouth. Then only the entire flavors is getting bursted out inside mouth. And they have marinated this run for a quite long period of time. They have used curd, slightly the tanginess is there, and they have used some kinds of masalas such as chili powder, garam masala. So this is giving a very good taste, and slightly the tandoor burnt flavor taste is really going good with this masalas, and as well as the sauce whatever they have used is in next level. Usually run they make oil fry or tandoor, but here they have done tandoor, as well as after that they have put some kinds of sauce and they have salted. So this has come out really very well. So here is mutton keema ball, and this is mutton boti, and this is mutton fry, and I ordered for ragi ball, and one more side for chicken I have ordered for chapati. So first I wish to try, and biryani also will be provided in this mutton meal. The green chilies is being used more, and curry leaves is also being used more in this boti. Onions though, don't ask, each and every bite you are gonna be getting that onions. Boti is being cooked really very well, and the main dominating taste is green chili as well as pepper taste, but they have used garam masala also in this, but main taste is pepper as well as the chili spiciness kick is there. Boti is being really cooked well, it's not overcooked. As I say, if boti is overcooked you will get that rubber feel. It's really very soft, and slightly after finishing the bite you're gonna be getting that sweetness taste. That is because of onion. Boti is really very good for intestine, and it is something like cleaning the stomach. The boti is being cleaned really very well, and slightly this is something like a gravy type. Just look at this, the onion is there. They have salted onion for a very long period of time. Slightly that crispness is there when you are eating, but yes, taste wise it's really fantastic. Here is mutton keema ball. So with this I wish to try this mudde, ragi mudde, and they have put some fat also. The fat has to be there when we are eating this mutton keema ball. But yes, the mudde is really very soft. Let me give a roll in this mutton keema curry and have it. They have used coconut in this. They have grinded coconut and they have poured that coconut milk. The mutton has been cooked well. In mutton keema ball they have used garam masala and coriander powder. So coriander powder taste is really very dominating, and as well as this coconut taste. It's really tasting fantastic. Mutton is being slightly oil fried, this ball. Then they have put in this mutton keema curry. Especially for ragi mudde, this mutton keema curry is giving a very good taste. Fantastic taste I can say. I can feel that have come down to baduta. Baduta means Kannadigas will be knowing. After marriage we keep, but in English if I need to explain, it is something called as what? Non-veg feast. Next comes up with mutton chops. I've got a big piece of mutton, one rib piece also. I need some gravy for ragi ball and some lemon, because I can see lot of chilies. Hope this will be really very spicy. Just look at this fat. My god. It is just melting if you keep it in the mouth. Let me try this with this ragi ball. Ragi ball is really very soft, guys. It's cold, but after getting this ragi ball cold, usually it won't be soft. but here it is really very soft. Wow. It's spicy. It is spicy. The pepper flavor is really very dominating in this mutton chops. I wish to try this mutton piece. And the masala has been completely merged in this meat. The masala has been entered properly. Chili spiciness is also there. Let me go for this rib piece. Mutton is cooked really very well, and the quality of the mutton is also good. Cooking is also important, and choosing the mutton meat is also really very important. This is mutton biryani at last, so I want to try it at last itself because I want to go to chicken. Chicken starters are waiting for me from quite long period of time. So I only have to move. I can't move the leaf. It's really very difficult if I move the leaf. So this is gravy which is gonna be giving for mutton, and this is raita. On raita they have used chili powder. So I've got one chapati. Here is chili chicken, kebab, chicken fry, and at last chicken biryani. So this is chicken meal. So here I'm gonna be starting with chili chicken. Summer chili chicken, bit scary, but no worries. Anything for you people. I love to try this with lemon. Don't want to risk myself. And I have got some raw onions also. Let me squeeze. No. First let me try chili chicken raw. Then let me use lemon. Whoa. It is really very soft. Just look at this, guys. It is so damn soft. You just need to press and the meat is just getting separated. Let me dip this with that chili chicken gravy and have it. The chili puree is really good, and they have used salt as well as special masalas like whatever they showed us, that is also being used in this. Slightly that cardamom flavor is there in the chili chicken, and I can see this chili flakes here. Just look at this chili flakes. So that is giving a slight spicy kick. The spiciness is not so much, but yes, this is something tasting like an Andhra style chili chicken. Next, let me go for this chicken fry. In this also, the chicken is so damn soft. Can't express you guys. You have to try it here. On chicken, I can see a small layer of skin which has been sat on the meat. So here it's not skin out, it's with skin. Let me try this chicken fry with a piece of chapati. A very good combination with chapati. What and all masala is being used in this chicken fry that has completely entered the chicken. They have boiled this chicken fry for a quite long period of time. They have used curry leaves and they have used onions. Long period of time in the sense whatever the minimum period of cooking time has to be done, that has been done. So the chicken has been cooked out really very well. Last comes with this kebab. The corn flour is not so more. Whatever the corn flour quantity has to be used in this kebab they have used, but they have marinated this for a quite long period of time. Again, here they have not done skin out, so this meat is also with skin. Very rare you find kebab with skin. Usually in all the restaurants they use skin out boiler chicken itself, but here they have used with skin. The crispiness of the skin is only like next level of taste. Just look at the skin. The skin itself is giving a roast feeling. You don't need corn flour at all. All the chicken starters are done. Now again I have to jump back to this mutton beef because I want to try this mutton biryani. Let me put bit of mutton biryani into this green banana leaf. 2 pieces of mutton is being served in this biryani. The quantity is fine for one person. Let me give a mix. I can see lot of mint leaf like that itself. They haven't grinded, so mint leaf first place that I'm seeing that they haven't grinded. Usually at house they do that. So this is something like a homemade biryani itself where I'm tasting out. Let me have the first bite. The aroma of the biryani is in next level. I don't eat raita, so let me use this onion slice. Definitely this would be a best bite. Cinnamon and cardamom taste is also there, and mint flavor, and chili they have grind and they have poured in this biryani. That is giving a very good taste. Mutton piece is being cooked well. Eventually, if you are eating with rice, it's giving a fantastic taste. The mutton is really damn fresh. You just need to squeeze with 2 fingers. The mutton is getting separated from the bone. Usually, once you cook mutton or chicken, and again if you are heating up, the pieces go hard. The pieces means the meat goes hard completely. So here they haven't done that mistake. So the mutton is quite soft, and jeerge sambar rice aroma, it is in next level. Here is chicken biryani. Even in this, the aroma is in next level itself. It's not less than mutton biryani. Chicken biryani is the most selling dish in this restaurant. Guys, the rice has been cooked out really very well. Even here they have used with skin itself, so the skin fatness is being melted in this biryani. The taste wise, it's coming up so well. My god, amazing taste. Here mint flavor is really dominating compared to mutton biryani, and spiciness you can feel it in chicken biryani. Mutton, the fat would have got melted, so the spiciness won't be in that level. But in chicken biryani, easily you can find it out what and all spices they have used. As I told you, mint leaves, chili, puree, and garam masala, coriander powder. But yes, taste wise, really amazing. I loved chicken biryani more than mutton biryani. The food was really great. By the time I finished this all biryanis, my stomach was completely filled. So at last I decided that my camera woman should eat this biryani. So she's eating. So one of the worst part is for food bloggers, after we eat, they wait and they eat at last. So the food will be like completely cold. It's difficult for them to eat. As I told you, the food was best. There is no doubt about it. You can travel here, and especially personally recommended is go for any chicken combo meal or mutton combo meal. It is really worth, and the price list will be mentioned in the description part as well as location. If you people like this video, please do like, share and comment. Catch you up in the next vlog. Till then, bye, take care, see ya.